In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Opening one of your apps as a floating window is really easy and only takes a few seconds. What you need to do is open one of your apps and then access it in the background, like that. Then tap on those three dots at the top of it and select floating window at the top. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. Now to close it, you can either hold this line at the bottom, drag it all the way up, and when you see this tiny window, swipe it to the top. You can simply just close it in the background like that, or tap on those three dots at the top of your window and tap on close. You can also use different options of your floating window by tapping on the same three dots. By tapping on full screen, you can instantly switch to full screen view, and by tapping on minimize, you can turn your window into a bubble and then access it wherever you want to by tapping on the bubble. You can also use the same line you used before to close your app and drag it all the way down. When you see a gray area, let go, and this way open your app in full screen view right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!